Welcome to a new update of KUNOMAIL, your email client for simple, personal, and convenient communication. In this video, we'll show you a practical new feature that will noticeably improve your email view. If you've been struggling with shifted columns or unfamiliar sorting, we now have the perfect solution for you. KUNOMAIL now allows you to restore the optimal view for your email folders with just one click. After opening KUNOMAIL, go to the Settings and then to the Email Column Display section. Many users are already familiar with this section. However, there is an additional button that allows you to restore the default settings for column view and sorting. This feature was introduced to reset the recommended view for each email folder type with just one click, quickly, easily, and reliably. In the Email Column Display section, you'll now find a new button labeled Set Default Settings. With one click, this ensures that all columns are automatically arranged correctly according to the respective folder type. At the same time, the recommended sorting order is also set, for example, by date or sender. This restores the view in Inbox, Sent, Trash, or other folders to its optimal state, without any manual adjustment. Of course, you still have the option to customize the column view and sorting order. To do so, simply expand the selection of available folder types, for example, Inbox, Sent, or Trash. Then select which columns should be displayed in each view and the order in which the emails should be sorted. You can configure these settings separately for each folder type. Once you've made all the adjustments, click the Save button, and your individual settings will be permanently applied. An important note regarding customization. When changing the sort order, please ensure that the corresponding sorting column is also included in the selection of displayed columns. Only if the sorting column is visible can the sorting be displayed correctly. But don't worry, KUNOMAIL automatically checks your selection. If an invalid combination is detected, you'll receive a clear warning and can adjust your settings accordingly before saving them. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact our KUNOMAIL support team. We welcome your feedback and wish you continued enjoyment with KUNOMAIL.